Greetings, dear all. Today we are going to see the Adodb connection in Visual Basic 6.0. Already we have seen the ADO-TC connection in the previous video. You can refer with that to know how to create the database. And in this video, we are going to see ADO-TP connection. So let's enter into the session. So for that, I'm going to open the Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. And here I have to created already 2 label box and 2 text boxes, and this is the data grid. So to work, start with ADODB, go to project, references. You're going to choose Microsoft ActiveX Data Object 2.0 library. Already I've chosen it. It will be here in this area, Microsoft Data Object. We are going to choose 2.0 library. We give OK. And data grid, as already we have seen, go to components and choose Microsoft Data Grid Control. So when we choose this, the Data Grid Control will be added to the toolbox and we can put it on the form. So now we are going to enter into the coding. In the general part, give 2 variables, dim con as adb dot connection, dim rs as adodb dot record set. In the form load, we are going to set the variable con is equal to new adodb dot connection and set rs as new adodb dot record set. Now I'm going to open the connection con dot open within double quotes. What we gave automatically in ADO-DC, we are going to type it manually here. The provider is Microsoft dot jet dot OLEDB dot 4.0 semicolon. We're going to give the data source is equal to the copy the path file name. So I'm going to the database folder. This is where I've stored the database. Right click, go to properties and choose the location. And the name of the database is sample. So just paste it here, / sample.mdb semicolon. We are going to give persist security info is equal to false. So we have given the connection. Now we are going to open the table. So to know the table name, go to add insert Visual Data Manager file. Already we have the database. I'm going to open the database. The name is sample and the name of the table is sample table. And these are the fields: STU name, DOB and MOB. That is a mobile number. So name of the table is sample table. Okay. So now I'm going to open the table. Before that, I'm going to give rs dot. I'm going to set the cursor location is equal to add use client. Now I'm going to open the table. Open. I'm going to give the query. Select asterisk from the name of our table was sample table. So be careful with the uppercase and lowercase, comma, CON. CON is where we have connected the database. I'm going to open it in dynamic mode. Also, lock optimistic. Now we have given the database details, we have given the table details. Now we are going to give the field, set the field set in text1 dot data source is equal to rs. So text1 dot data field is equal to, the first field name was STUNAME, student name. Okay, the same thing I'm going to copy and paste it here. It is text2, and the name, next field name is DOB in uppercase. We'll check once again. Sample table, student name, DOB, only D is in uppercase. I'll change it. Now let's execute it. Yes. In the first field, we are getting the name. In the second field, we are getting the date of birth. Now we'll link the data grid. So for that, we are going to give set data grid 1 dot data source is equal to rs. Now when we execute it, we can see the full database details in the data grid. So we'll add another 4 command buttons. We'll keep the form status maximized. So we'll give now 4 command buttons. One is to add, update, delete, and exit. So this I'll name is to add. This is for update. This is for delete. And this is for exit. So quickly we'll do this. For add, I'm going to give rs dot add new, and we'll give the text1 dot set focus, so that the cursor will be there in the text1 when we add it. So we'll just give a small message box. After adding, click update. So this will have it for add. Next for update, we'll give rs dot update. We'll give a message box here. Record updated. And for delete, rs dot delete. So we'll give a message box. Record deleted, and exit will give it as unload me. So we'll try with this. We'll execute. To add, I get a message box after adding. Click update. So we have the focus in the text1. So I'm going to add the next student name, and I'm going to give the date of birth. Okay, since I didn't give the field for mobile number, it is empty. Now I'm going to click update. So the record is updated. Now I want to delete the same record. I'm going to give delete. So the record is deleted. Now I'm going to give exit. So this is how we can add, update or delete. And we can have another 4 buttons. So this will have it as move first. We can have it as move last. This we can have it as next, and this one as previous. So here rs dot we will have move first, rs dot move last. These are the navigation tools. In ADO-DC we will have it automatically, we'll get it in the ADO-DC connection, but since it is manual, we have to give it as, we'll have to give manually. So this is rs dot move next and rs dot move previous. Very simple. Now when execute, so this is the last record, this is a previous record, this is the next record, and this is the first record, and this is exit. Hope you're clear with ADO-DB connection. It might be a little difficult, but it is very easy when we execute it. ADO-DC is fully automatic and ADO-DB is manual. Both are very easy to use. Thank you for watching.